welcome back to TechnoChart's YouTube channel. And in today's video, I am going to share 3 stocks that have broken out and are retesting a particular area. So first stock that I'm going to talk about is CenturyPly. So CenturyPly I had already given at around 670 rupees, and it is already up around 5% in this scenario. So this stock is absolutely gem in terms of fundamentals also. FIIs are continuously increasing stake, and also the stock has high relative strength. So if you look at the relative strength line, the relative strength line is continuously increasing, right? And the volumes have been always on the higher side. So whenever the stock is breaking out, so in this chart, as you can see that whenever the stock is breaking out, the stock had a huge volumes, and whenever the stock is pulling back, the stock is having below average volume. Today also the stock has given a good closing and is closing near all-time high. So this stock can be tracked and can be, if you have not bought, should be bought at around 690 to 700 area. Stop loss should be at around 660 rupees that I have already mentioned. So this should be the stop loss area, and you can buy anywhere here. And with a target of around 730 was our initial target. So initial target, it almost got hit today at high was around 727. So the first target was already hit. Now the second and third target could be at around 750 rupees and 800 rupees. So these two are the targets. Do not forget using the stop loss, because these are not long term stocks, so keep them short term only. So the second stock that I am going to talk about is JslHisar. So JslHisar, as you can see, the stock had fallen from 420 rupees to 320 rupees in the recent fall. Currently, as you can see, the stock is had a tighter volatility, and now the stock is breaking out. So if you look at the chart, the stock had a resistance at around this area. So if you look at the bar chart, you can see that the stock first had an initial fall of around 20 to 30%, and then the stock had a fall of around 377 to 340 rupees. So let us calculate how much the percentage fall was at around each fall. So first fall was around 30%, the second fall was around 10%, and now the third fall is around has been around 6%, 6 to 7%. So as you can see, the volatility is contracting little by little, and had finally expanded over this area. The stock has broken out of the resistance area, and if you look at the chart, the stock is had a decent volume with high relative strength, and the target you can see in this particular script is at around 430. That is the all-time high, and above that also the stock can rally. You can use the moving averages to trail your profits using the 50 MA. So 50 MA can be used if you want to trail your profits, right? So the third stock that I'm going to talk about is Sharda Cropchem. After a huge rally of around 50 to 60% from around 400 rupees to 660 rupees, the stock had been consolidating for a very big period of time. The stock had steep resistance at around 590 area, and it was continuously falling. So today morning, that is why I had given the Sharda Cropchem is breaking out. So I had also personally taken a position in this and shared in the paid group also. So here we see that the stock has broken out and stock closed in 10% circuit. Now any position is a risky position, but any time if the stock reaches at around 590 rupees would be a definitely a buy choice with a stop loss of 550 rupees. Now the target could be depending upon if we check it out as a flag and pole pattern breakout, or if we just use it as a normal breakout. So if we check the flag and pole pattern breakout, so from 400 the stock had uh, traveled till 660 rupees. From 660 the stock had traveled till 550. So we can assume that the stock will again travel around 250 points, that is at around till around 800 rupees. Like the length of the pole has to be taken into consideration, so it will travel till around 750 800 rupees. So this could be the third target. Now we are having a mentorship program regarding the stage analysis and uh, relative strength. So if you are interested in that, kindly click on the link below and pay through that link. Thank you, and do share it with your friends.